Time, an unseen sculptor, carves away at all things. For 100 years, this sanctuary of silence held a secret, a testament to a world that roared with steam and steel. Hidden from memory, a legend awaited its rediscovery, its story almost lost to the relentless turning of the calendar. There it was, not the king of the road, but a ghost, a machine of immense beauty and power, now a hollow shell ravaged by the elements. Every pockmark, every fracture, a silent scream of neglect. This was more than just metal and wood. It was a century of forgotten journeys, untold stories, and the undeniable weight of its own demise. The assessment was stark: years of exposure, catastrophic structural failure, and a complete absence of original components for many vital parts. Conventional restoration methods, even for the most seasoned artisans, presented a near impossible challenge. The cost, the time, the sheer ingenuity required. It was a project destined to fail, unless we could rewrite the rules of restoration. Our answer lay beyond the workshop, in the realm where silicon meets inspiration. We sought an intelligence capable of transcending human limitations, a digital oracle to whisper the secrets of the past and chart the course for its rebirth. Artificial intelligence was our only hope. With pinpoint accuracy, the AI began to unravel a century of degradation. Lasers danced across corroded metal, translating physical decay into a digital language. The truck's true form, its perfect 1919 essence, began to emerge from the digital chaos. The AI didn't just scan, it understood. It reconstructed missing fragments from historical memory, revealing a blueprint of perfection that had been buried under time's cruel hand. This was more than just an image, it was a living data model. The AI became our strategist, running countless scenarios, optimizing every cut, every weld, every polish. It charted the most efficient path, identifying the precise techniques and materials needed to ensure not just a repair, but an authentic resurrection. It was the future guiding the past, hand in digital hand. Armed with the AI's flawless blueprint, the physical transformation began. Every piece of the Packard, from its massive frame to the smallest rivet, was meticulously documented and processed. For components beyond salvage, the AI directed state-of-the-art fabrication, recreating parts with a fidelity that even the original craftsman would marvel at. The synergy between human skill and machine precision was absolute. This was where the machine's perfect knowledge met the human soul. Every stroke of the brush, every turn of the wrench, every stitch of the needle was imbued with an unprecedented level of accuracy and care. The AI didn't replace the artisan, it empowered them, refining their craft to an almost divine level. It was the rebirth of beauty, one painstakingly perfected detail at a time. And then the moment arrived. Not merely a restoration, but a reversal of time. 100 years of decay had been erased, replaced by the perfect, unblemished elegance of its birth. This wasn't just a vehicle. It was a living artifact, a testament to what is possible when human ambition and artificial intelligence converge. It runs, it lives. This 1919 Packard truck, once a forgotten ghost, now thunders down the road, a powerful symbol of our ability to reclaim history, to mend what was broken, and to prove that with the right vision and the right tools, even a century of decay cannot diminish the enduring spirit of human achievement. The legacy, reborn, is now ready for a new century of stories.